Ever walked outside and found a giant hole where there wasn't one before? That's the unsettling reality of sinkholes, sudden, dramatic collapses in the earth. They're both fascinating and a little frightening, and today we're diving into the mystery of sinkholes. Sinkholes are essentially depressions in the ground, often forming when groundwater dissolves soluble bedrock like limestone or gypsum. Rainwater absorbs carbon dioxide, becoming slightly acidic, and slowly dissolves the rock below the surface, creating underground cavities. When these cavities become too large, the ground above can no longer support itself and collapses. Florida is particularly prone to sinkholes due to its limestone bedrock. But sinkholes aren't always natural. Human activity, like excessive groundwater pumping for irrigation or construction, can accelerate the process. Did you know the largest recorded sinkhole in the US, the Winter Park sinkhole, swallowed several cars and a swimming pool in 1988? It was over 200 feet across. So, sinkholes are a result of dissolving bedrock, often worsened by human actions, and can appear unexpectedly. They're a powerful reminder of the hidden geological processes shaping our world. If you found this exploration of sinkholes intriguing, give this video a like and let us know in the comments what other natural phenomena you'd like us to investigate. Don't forget to subscribe for more fascinating science content.